Hey everyone, welcome back to Bahawalpur TV. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto guides and updates. We bring you the best tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies with ease. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a crypto wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having the right wallet is crucial for securing your crypto assets. Stick around till the end for some pro tips to keep your crypto safe. Before we start, let's quickly break down the types of crypto wallets. Custodial wallets store your crypto with platforms like Binance or Coinbase, while non-custodial wallets give you full control using options like Metamask, Trust Wallet, or Ledger. Hot wallets, such as Metamask and Trust Wallet, are always online and great for daily transactions, while cold wallets like Ledger Nano X and Trezor Model T are offline and more secure for long-term storage. Choosing the right wallet depends on your needs. If you trade frequently, a hot wallet is ideal. For long-term holding, a cold wallet is best. If you're interested in DeFi and NFTs, Metamask or Trust Wallet is the way to go. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a non-custodial hot wallet using Trust Wallet, as it's beginner-friendly and supports multiple cryptocurrencies. To download and install the wallet, visit the official website at trustwallet.com and download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and click on Create a New Wallet. Once inside, you'll see a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and store it securely. Never share it with anyone or store it digitally. Confirm the phrase in the correct order and set a strong PIN or biometric lock for extra security. Consider using a fireproof and waterproof seed phrase storage for long-term safety. Now, let's add crypto to your wallet. Open Trust Wallet and find your wallet address under the Receive tab. Copy the address for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any supported token. Buy crypto from an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, then withdraw it to your wallet. Always double-check the blockchain network. Use ERC20 for Ethereum and BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain. If you're using a cold wallet like Ledger, connect it via USB or Bluetooth and use the Ledger Live app to manage your assets. Once your wallet is set up, you can start using it for transactions. To send crypto, go to Send, enter the recipient's wallet address, and confirm the transaction. To receive payments, share your wallet address via the Receive option. You can also connect your wallet to DeFi apps, NFT marketplaces, or staking platforms. Enable Wallet Connect to securely access decentralized apps, dApps, like Uniswap, OpenSea, or PancakeSwap. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If using an exchange-based wallet, regularly update your wallet app for security patches, and never share your private keys or seed phrases, even with support teams. If you hold a large amount of crypto, use a hardware wallet for maximum protection. And that's it. You now have a fully set up crypto wallet. With this, you can safely send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies in 2025. Which wallet do you use? Let me know in the comments below. If this guide is helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Like this video? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have questions? Drop them in the comments.